Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to solve this integral. Okay, right, first I'm going to take a substitution, like let's say x to the fourth power is equals to t. Now I'm going to differentiate this x to the fourth. Okay, when I differentiate this is 4 to the x cube dx and this is dt. Okay, in the integral there is x to the cube times dx, right? So I'm going to write x to the cube dx is equal to dt over 4. Now I'm going to write the integral in t instead of x. This is integral. There is 8, right? That doesn't depend on the variable because it's a constant. There is 8 x to the cube dx. X to the cube times dx is, now I know it is dt over 4. This is dt over 4. Okay, over 1 plus x to the 8. 1 plus here I'm going to write x to the 8 like this. I can write this x to the fourth square, right? T to the square, this is t square. Now I know that x to the 8 power is equal to t square. Now I am writing x to the 8 power as t square. I can cancel this one and this is 2. Now there is a 2 there. 2 instead 2 is a constant. I am going to take that out of the integral. This is 2. There is dt over 1 plus t square. Okay, we know that 1 over 1 plus x square is, when I integrate 1 over 1 plus x square, it is tan inverse format, right? 2, then the answer is 2 tan inverse, this is t plus c. Okay, this is the solution, but in the integral they are asking in x, right? In here I take a substitution in t, that's why the answer is in t format. So I have to turn this answer back to the x. So I know that t is equal to x to the fourth. So I am simply writing this as 2 tan inverse x square. This is t is x to the fourth, so this is x to the 4 plus c. Okay guys, that's the answer. If you have any questions, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please share with your friends.